Today on Inspirations, we're going to look at Juan's FJ40, and he took part in restoring his friend's FJ43. Juan's first FJ40 he got about 4 years ago, and it was a true barn find with only one owner. Needed a fair bit of a tidy up as it was a little abandoned. This was going to be Juan's school on FJ40s. Looking fairly straight and fairly clean, the restoration work was quick to start. Stripping it right back down to the chassis, taking the body off, cleaning all the paint out, and doing any panel beating work that needed to be done. The engine was totally cleaned up and made to look like brand new again. All the smaller components were used with paint with a lot of electrostatic powder, basically powder coating. It didn't take long before Juan's FJ40 really started to come to shape. Juan got his FJ40 painted a beautiful olive 637. Juan's restoration took about 8 months. He was able to enjoy the car for a good 3 years before someone made him the offer that he couldn't refuse. So he regrettably let it go, and now he regrets it every day since. Not long after this, one of his close friends asked him to help restore a 1974 FJ43. This time, a little bit more generous on the funds, and they tried to do things a lot more carefully and using more of original parts, which can be a pretty expensive hobby in Colombia. Fortunately for them, this body had perfect lines and the chassis was spot on. It had never been an accident, had basically no rust, and the advantages of being a single car owner and basically 90% original already, they were able to raise this restoration to the next level. Again, stripping right back down to bare metal, taking all the small components, electrostatic powder coating all of them as well. With reupholstering all the seats. Finishing off in a beautiful sky blue. Juan has a real passion for Land Cruisers, especially the early models. 40 series, 60 series. Juan would love to own his own restoration shop and do this as a full-time job. Mate, I wish you all the best in your dream and hope you can pull it off. Juan's actually started up an Instagram page to share his passion with early Land Cruisers. Classics Biario. My Spanish pronunciations are shocking, so I apologise if I've got it wrong. Actually, my English pronunciations are pretty bad on top of that. Anyway, Juan, I wish you all the success in being able to get your dream off the ground and being able to bring other people's as well as yours back to life and back to their former glory as they should have been. Sharing them with the rest of Colombia. Fantastic, mate. I encourage you guys to check out his Instagram page and see some of the beautiful work that he's done and some of the other Land Cruisers he's sharing. Until next time, take care of yourselves.